All right, here is a table that was done for handling these tanks in particular. We only have 2 tanks here to test with, but this will grip up to 4 tanks at once. It's designed to lock these tanks in place, so you can put a torque wrench on this. These things are in there. They're not going anywhere. So the way this works is you have a common right here. You have to pull the common. This table will spin 360 degrees continuous, so you can hit the common to rotate. There is a second set of controls. There's a detent that locks it at 180 degrees. There's a second set of controls right here. So you can continually spin this. So this is your common. You have to hit the common and the rotate. If you just hit the rotate, you won't release. Common, rotate, release. Common, you can't grip release as well without hitting the common. You hit the common right here. Release these tanks. Now these tanks can come out. Common, grip, and it grips. This is just a 2-position, in flip-flop. So if you hit it once, it releases. Hit it again, it grips. You have air, a very simple air hookup to this table right here. You will see there is a locking mechanism on the bottom of the cart, but this cart moves very easily. Hit this, locks it, cart doesn't go anywhere, release it, cart's very easy to move. This cart's made out of 100% aluminum, so it is very lightweight, very easy to push around. Not much else to it. Thank you very much.